great privilege to watch Game of Dice. I've seen it many times before, but I really like tonight. I think today I was very touched by Neha's performance during Draupadi, to stand among all these men and be like a goddess, and say that that pride in being oneself, and and being a woman and being strong enough to stand your ground was very, very, very amazing. And of course, Santosh choreography, the masks, the impact, the intensity, not only the dance but the emotions also. I was really touched. So congratulations. And today was very special because we spoke about the lineage coming from Uday Shankar. So I was very, very happy to be part of this evening. Thank you very much.
It was excellent, everything about it, whether it was the concept, whether it was the execution, whether it was the dresses, the lighting, every part of it was perfect and, mesmerizing basically.
It has been so rocking performance. The kind of energy that I was expecting since morning. Since morning I've been like, I have to come for this show. And sitting down over here and watching, it was magical. It was completely magical. The kind of energy Santosh and the kind of energy his dancers have. What coordination, what practice they must have put into this. It's amazing. And I think the whole world should see this. They've seen it. There's more. I think this one time is not enough for me. I would love to come and watch it again and again and again. Congratulations for this huge show and a huge success. House full tha yaar, aur kya chahiye? That's what the artist wants. And that's what Santosh is pulling, people to his work. And amazing.
I like the music. I love the costumes and definitely the choreography. It was so amazing. Expressions, choreography, movements, lights, stage design was also very creative. I loved the whole production. I really loved it. Thank you. Thank you.
बहुत अच्छा लगा. Still the same stamina is there and the energy is there. It's a wonderful story.
I am speechless, first thing, mesmerized with everything, the storyline and how it was depicted the game of dice in a very, very modern way, but yet it is very relevant in today's time also, because women, the situation of the woman in the older time and today, I think there is no change, and through the game of dice, Santosh Nair ji did it. I'm very small to say something, but I have goosebumps to see, and the choreography and the synchronization, the best part. Thank you so much.
So universe answered my wish of getting to watch Game of Dice. I've been following it in the sense whatever pictures and videos I have seen, and I really wanted to see this myself happening on stage, and today I got the opportunity not just to watch it on stage, but capture it in my camera. So it was a wonderful thing, and productions like this, it kind of opens up your mind as visual artists. It did that to me. It was absolutely amazing. Santosh sir and Sadhya, congratulations, and keep doing this amazing work you guys are doing. Lovely.
सबसे बड़ी बात मुझे जो अच्छी लगी इस प्रोडक्शन में कि ये पूरा जो स्टोरी है जो हम अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं और हमने आर्टिस्टिक रिप्रेजेंटेशंस इसकी बहुत देखी है, लेकिन संतोष ने इतने नॉवल तरीके से और बहुत सटली और लेयर्स के साथ ये जो स्टोरी बताया, एंड द बॉडी लैंग्वेज ऑफ द टेक्निक वाज यूज्ड so intelligently to tell the story in a very, very engaging way. So congratulations to Santosh and Satya.
We came at Sri Ram Center to watch Game of Dice and it was spellbound.
Beautiful.
Santosh Nair is amazing. We loved it.
We just loved it. एक एक कैरेक्टर को जिस तरीके से सर ने डिफाइन किया है, इट्स जस्ट सो अमेजिंग. हम सर का काम बहुत सालों से देखते हुए आ रहे हैं, बट आज जो प्रोडक्शन देखा है वो ये कुछ अलग था. और मैं सबको बोलूँगी कि इस लाइफ टाइम में ये प्रोडक्शन ज़रूर
देखना है,
क्योंकि इससे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा.
Even blinking of the eye was tough. It was so beautiful, and the synchrony, the costumes and the coordination was just mind blowing. Looking forward to many shows.